What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. I do not offer an investment trading program. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Click on that Webull link, open up your new brokerage account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Next week, guys, we have to be prepared for the Federal Reserve meeting, which will take place on Wednesday, November 2nd. Now, that's going to be a pretty important meeting because that is going to set the stage for what the Fed will do when it comes to increasing short-term interest rates through the rest of this year and through 2023. Now, it's widely speculated that on that November 2nd meeting, the Federal Reserve will increase short-term interest rates by 75 basis points. And the reason they're going to continue to increase interest rates is because the first quarter of this year, the second quarter of this year, GDP was negative. There is some optimism out there that GDP will be positive for the third quarter, which is not good news when it comes to inflation. The second thing that is working against us when it comes to stopping the Fed from increasing interest rates on November 2nd is the labor market, guys, is still pretty strong. Now, the number of job openings compared to people to fill those jobs did slightly decrease, but it's still strong, right? And it's still not as soft as the Federal Reserve would like it to be in order to get people to stop spending money. Let's face it, guys, when people lose their jobs, they don't have income, they don't spend money. And that's sort of what the Federal Reserve is looking for when it comes to the labor market. No one wants to lose their job, but let's face it, when people do lose their jobs, they stop spending money, and the Fed knows that. So I think that's the reason why you will see the 75 basis point increase on November 2nd. What will happen, though, during that meeting, and what investors are hoping to hear, is that the Federal Reserve says they can see progress being made to bring down inflation from the prior rate hikes. That's what the market really wants to hear the Federal Reserve say, that they have seen progress. If that happens, then I believe in December of this year, we won't see a 75 basis point rate hike. Could be 25 basis points, could be 50 basis points. But better yet, in 2023, they may even put a pause on rate hikes. So if the Federal Reserve believes progress is being made to bring inflation down from the previous rate hikes, we may see them start cooling off or even put a pause on rate hikes, which if that happens, the market will rally. We know that. The market will certainly rally. So what should you be doing? What should I be doing? Well, number one, I need to understand that no matter what the Federal Reserve does, it's still a fantastic time right now to be buying assets in the stock market, paper assets, right? We got some of the largest companies in the world, guys, that are on sale right now. You guys know I've been talking about Tesla. I'm going to keep talking about Tesla at $225 a share as of close on Friday, right? When the market closed on Friday. You look at Apple, certainly on sale as well. I think Apple's in that 145, 146 a share range. You look at Facebook, man, Facebook was $99 a share on Friday, guys. It even dropped to $98 a share, which is just a crazy sale price for a company like Facebook who has 2 billion active daily users. I mean, come on, man. That's just, with a stock price just a year ago was in that 370, 380 per share range. So certainly on sale. Same thing with Amazon. 17% on sale as of last Thursday, their stock price. Why? Because they had lackluster third quarter earnings report. So the stock dropped by 17%. What I would be doing is positioning myself to continue snapping up or buying up these companies while they're on sale with the intent. See, here's the key, guys. With the intent to hold them 3, 5, 7, 10 years. Because if I'm not prepared to do that, I shouldn't be buying them. Because it's going to take me at least 3 years to see a real recovery, a real start of a new bull market where these great companies can start seeing growth again, right? The only way I make money in any asset is if the asset grows. See, I buy it right here. It can be real estate, it can be stocks, it can be precious metals, it can be antiques and collectibles, cars, you name it. Any asset I buy, the only way I make money is if that asset grows in value. Same with paper assets, right? So if I buy Apple at $145 a share, I make no money on Apple unless it goes up to $150 a share, $160 a share, $170 a share, $180 a share. That's how I make money on Apple. But unless I'm willing to hold it to give it an opportunity to do that, I'm not going to make any money. So I can't just say, whoa, I'm going to buy Apple today and turn it around tomorrow and I want to make X amount of dollars. In most cases, guys, that's not going to happen, especially not in a bear market like we're in, because the market is volatile. You know, one day it's up, the next day it's down. That's just volatility when we're in a bear market. What we really want to do is buy as much as we can while we're in the bear market. And then when that bear market turns itself back into a bull market and those companies start going back up in value from a per share price standpoint, that's where you make your net worth. So be aware of what the Federal Reserve is getting ready to do next week, but also understand how it impacts you as an investor, right? No, I'm no expert in this, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a guy who has done this for over 20 years and have learned to pick up on certain things. And one of those things is listening to the language that the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will be talking about on, next Wednesday, November 2nd. Listening to what this guy is going to be saying, because he's going to tell you what's going to be happening or what they anticipate happening with rate hikes in the future. If he comes on and says, hey, we've seen no progress, you better believe me, you're going to have a 75 basis point rate hike November 2nd. You're going to have it in December, and you're going to probably have it the first couple of quarters in 2023. That's what's going to happen if he says they haven't seen any progress. But if he comes out and says, guys, we've seen progress, the rate hikes are working, we can see prices coming down, then that means they're going to stop tightening. They may put a pause on tightening. And if they do, you're going to see things start moving in a positive direction in the economy and in the stock market. Guys, just my 2 cents, my recommendation. Go out and do your own research, come up with your own conclusion. But my conclusion is I'm going to keep buying these assets while they're on sale with the intent to hold them long term so I can build myself some more wealth. So drop me some comments and let me know what you think the Federal Reserve will do on Wednesday, November 2nd when it comes to rate hikes. Will they go 75 basis points? Will they go 100 basis points? Let me know what you think. If you want up to 12 free stocks, click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account, man. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.